How to verify my Yelp account. Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can verify your Yelp account, and here is how to go about it. To verify your Yelp account is not difficult. The first thing to do is to sign up on Yelp. Alright, so for me now, I have signed up already and I've logged in. But if you want to verify your account, just go to, let's open a new tab now to show you vividly, and then in the search box type out Yep, and then here you can see login, you can see sign up. So for you, ensure you click on the sign up option and not to log in. Okay, so it's bringing me back to this page because I have an account saved already on my Google account. But for you, once you click on sign up, you'll be able to enter in your details, your first name, last name, email address and password, then click on sign up. After clicking on sign up, a confirmation message will be sent immediately to the email address you provided during the sign up. So all you need to do is to open your email box and look for the confirmation email from Yep. All right. So just go to your tab in the search box, type out Gmail inbox, click Gmail Google, and then you wait for it to load. And then once that is loaded, once you've seen this confirmation email, click the confirmation email. All right. Okay, for me, just click on this, for example. You can see Yep, yeah, login select. Just click on the confirmation email, and then after clicking on the confirmation email, your account will be verified. All right. Once verified, you log in into your Yelp account, then you complete your profile by adding the additional information such as a profile photo, location, and other details. So this is how you can verify your account. Okay. Now, if you've not verified, ensure you check your email to see the confirmation link. Click on it, and you're set to go. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.